Hello, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Cupid's arrow knot for Valentine's Day. Let's get started. You'll need one tie here, and I'm using a prop here. I'm using a little toothpick that I got from Party City. It came in a pack for crafts or for cupcakes. You can use whatever you want that looks like an arrow. That's just what I'm using. So let's go and get started. Left side, belt line, as usual, put in that dimple. Bring it over to the center, fold this skinny end in half, and we're going to come up and over like this. We're going to come down and around like this. We're going to come over like this. So that's what we have so far. So what we're going to do is we're going to start making our heart. We are going to do our wreath. I'm going to get my arrow here, point it up, doing the wreath like so. Lay it flat up against there. Then I'm going to do my wreath and come over that toothpick, come over my arrow. Careful not to break it because it's a very thin toothpick. There you have it. There you have that part. Now we're not done yet, but there you have that part right there. So what we're going to do, come underneath here and we're going to come up and over like this. So we have that. Coming up and over and fold it, keeping it folded in half the whole time, like so. If that heart shows, then great. If not, then great. Not to go through there. So there we have this. Let's put this collar down. Need my collar stays to work. So again, see this picture on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. Struggle's real, apparently. And I'm going to need to adjust this toothpick to be going through it like that. So there you have Cupid's arrow. So I'm going to be adjusting my tie accordingly. There we have this. Just looking for this over here and kind of tuck it under. There you go. Cupid's arrow, that heart there showing in, that's obviously optional. Depends on what you use, but there you have it. All you know is my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.